Hey friends, and welcome to today's video. I'm super excited to chat with you guys because it's literally been a hot doggone minute. I have a video that will be going up probably in a few days, and I was talking about how I had a really bad headache like over my eye, and it's the weather change. My husband and I, it's story time. Hi, welcome to the channel of Queen Talk a Lot. Anyways, my husband and I drove down to the lake yesterday, and we were kind of trying to scope out where we were going to be camping and everything. It was an all-day event, super fun, definitely needed it. But I realized that the sinus pressure headache situation that I was dealing with was 100% because spring is here and everything is blooming and your girl's allergic to the world, and which is fine because, well, I mean, it's not fine, it kind of stinks, but to see the flowers start blooming, like they're coming up, to see the trees blooming, like the dogwoods and everything, oh my gosh, it was gorgeous. So I will take that headache. I will deal with it. I made sure to take my black seed oil today, so your girl's good, no headaches and all of that. So anyways, we got a lot to discuss today, or for today's video. We've got the ice cream beauty box for March. Oh, quick little 2 cents. A lot of you guys have been asking for a video on how I do my nails. Oh, I love that I get stuff all over my hands. And I will definitely do that for you guys. It's just gel polish that I get off of Amazon. If you like this color, I will try and remember to link it in my Amazon storefront for you guys. Nomad Cosmetics sent over their Ireland Wild Atlantic Way palette. I'll show you guys that at the end of today's video. I should already have a reel up and a TikTok up of this beautiful look that I created with that palette. They actually gave us a coupon code. It's Hotmess if you want to check that out. And then Liquid IV sent some stuff over to talk about, and so did Dossier. I'm so excited. You guys know I love Dossier so flippin' much. But before we jump into all of that information, all the unboxings and everything, huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. Thank you guys so much for your monthly support to this channel. I appreciate you guys so very much. To those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, I see you and I appreciate you all. And for those of you that just keep returning, sharing my videos over on Facebook, commenting in the comment section, thank you guys so very much for being here. Without you guys, none of this would be possible, and I just want you guys to know I don't take it for granted. I truly appreciate the community that we have built on this channel and on my other channels, on all the social media. Like, seriously, thank you. Let's talk a little bit about Dossier. So if you've never heard of Dossier products, they are inspired by perfume, cologne, and unisex scents at an affordable price, starting out as low as $29. Sometimes even lower than that, because the more you buy, the more you save. So I had to do a couple little restocks. I think it was this one. My now 18-year-old had gone through my beauty room and was like, hey mom, so-and-so at school always smells so good, and I'm thinking I need to start wearing some perfumes. And I was like, okay, well, you do you, boo. And so I told my baby child, why don't you go ahead and check out my Dossier collection? And they did, and then they had literally, if I can find the picture, I'll pop it up. They're like, I like these. And I'm like, okay, fine. So the first one that my baby child took was the Ambery Vanilla. Now on this card, like, here's what the box looks like and everything, and on the card it's going to give you the notes, the top, middle, and base notes. And this one is actually inspired by the YSL Black Opium perfume. Now I own that one and I love this one. I love YSL, but when I tell you this smells, literally, save your money. This is a spot on. Longevity is there. Like, I'm telling you, this smells so romantical. I know a lot of you all, when I showed the YSL Black Opium over on my Instagram, a lot of you all were like, that is my go-to scent. So if you want to save yourself some hundreds of dollars, definitely make sure to check out Dossier. This one, once again, is the Ambery Vanilla. These are great to travel to because look, you got a nice little magnetic top. They're nice and durable. The other one that was like a restock, if you will, you want a variety, right? And so you don't have to feel bad or like you're breaking the budget when it comes to Dossier. So this is the Gourmand White Flowers. This is actually inspired by the Victor Roth Flower Bomb. Fun little fact, we just had Haley and her fiance's bridal shower this past weekend. And my sister-in-law, I was like, oh my gosh, you smell so good. When she showed up, gave her a hug and everything, I was like, you smell so good. I said, what is that? She said, oh, it's Victor and Roth. So girl, if you want to save yourself some coin, let's go ahead and get this. This, again, smells just like, which I have the Victor and Roth Flower Bomb as well. I'm telling you, I literally got that, whipped that right into my eyeball. Spot on. Spot on. Like, I don't know how they do it. And one of you guys said they need Sol de Janeiro. I hear you, and I'm like, yes, facts, they do. So Dossier, if you could make some Sol de Janeiro, that would be absolutely amazing. A lot of us would appreciate that. So anyways, if you want to pick up an affordable perfume, like I said, they start at just $29. You can find some at Walmart as well. And I mean, if you want to get some for your man, there's a collection out there for men, and like I said, unisex scents as well. They have original Dossier scents too. So there's a variety. Whatever you're looking for, I can guarantee you they have it. So thank you to Dossier for partnering with your girl in today's video. I absolutely love them. My mom's on them. My now 18-year-old, like Haley, you name it, we love it, and we love how affordable and the fact that they keep growing. You like Joe Malone? Guess what? They have it. You like Tom Ford? They have it. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the Eyescream beauty box for March. Now, they did send this over in PR. You guys can save 10% with code HOTMESS. It's not an affiliate code or anything like that. It's just a way that if you want to try out the Eyescream beauty box for the first time, you can save yourself 10%. So thank you first and foremost to Eyescream beauty box for sending this over. Always so cute. They have a little card in here, and it says, March, make your own luck. The Eyescream beauty box subscription is, it's a monthly subscription, no strings attached, no contracts, but you're always going to get a palette in here. So if you absolutely are trying to grow your makeup collection, your palette collection, this is going to be the subscription for you. Of course, they always theme it, then they break it down, what's in the box, a little information, and the retail value. So first and foremost, we have the Beau Babe Beauty Liquid Highlight Drops in Gold Opal. So I think I have received this, not maybe this shade, but something similar to this. So I'm gonna open it, but I'm not gonna swatch it. I've got to get you guys that giveaway. How aesthetically gorgeous is this piece? Like, how beautiful would this look on your vanity? Yeah, I'm like 99% sure I have this one in more of like the champagne rosy shade. I think it is so pretty, and with the summer coming up, everybody wants a little extra shimmer and shine. Like, I don't know about y'all, but when I have a dress on or sleeveless or whatever, I always put my highlighters on my shoulders, a little bit on my décolleté. Flip, yeah, sparkle, shimmer, and all things glitter. No shame in my game. So a little information about this. The Gold Opal Iridescent Highlighter is by Beau Babe Beauty. It does have a retail value of $35. And it's a cream highlight with a dropper, but the formula is thick. So we highly recommend using a brush instead of the dropper, as it makes it easier to pick up. The color is absolutely stunning. It has a beautiful light shift with a white gold. Oh man, I don't want to be stingy, but at the same doggone time, I know this stuff is good. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see, but do you see how beautiful that is? I need to share. I need to share. But this is stunning, right? Absolutely beautiful. Next in here we have OFRA. I get so excited. Is this the blush? It is. Okay. I love when I see OFRA Cosmetics kind of have a thing for their blushers. Oh, this is in the shade Unit. Look at this. It's like a blush and bronzer together. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I don't have this one. All right, so this one is a retail value of $29. It's a pinky peach rose blush with a medium warm bronzer. Every cheek is a better half of liquid to bake formula that glides on and melts into the skin. You can mix it together and come up with like your own little custom shade. Oh yes, that's gonna be that's my perfect summer right there. Put that up through here, and then my blush from my palette up towards the front. I love doing like a nice little ombre with my blushers. So here you've got a bronzer, and then here you've got the blush. I love that. That would match so perfectly with my palette. Not gonna lie. So if you happen to be going to OFRA site and you need a palette, feel free to consider my palette, the Unconditional palette. Isn't that so pretty? Like, that together would just complement so well, right? So flippin' well. Heck freaking yeah, that would be beautiful. I don't know why I never thought to mix my contour and blush together. Duh. That's a good idea. Anyways, you can also find this over at Ulta if you are interested, and thank you guys bunches if you do pick it up, because I'm still in disbelief that that's mine. I created that. Like, what? Oh, I've got stuff, so much stuff I'm getting all over my sleeve. Like, I love wearing these kind of jackets, but I end up making myself so flippin' dirty. Next in here, we've got the Ziza Living Color Flea. I'm pretty sure we've gotten this brand in our box before. Multi-effect makeup primer. Okay, so the bottle, it's a good size bottle. This does say that, oh, it's a redness correcting primer. It's a $22 retail value. Do not worry about the green shade. The green color will help counteract any redness on the skin. Okay, well, let's just see about that. I mean, hello, Queen of Redness here. Oh, okay. That's nice. I appreciate that. And it kind of gives like a really nice healthy glow to the skin. Okay. You know, it's so funny because I was like, sometimes you get like where you're like, I wouldn't use that, I won't use that, whatever. That's a lie, because like you never know. That's the beauty of subscription boxes. You don't think you need it, but turns out you need it. Okay, we like that. And I guess this is like a Korean type of skincare too, so you know it's going to be very beneficial for the skin. So, all right, moving on. Next in here, we've got the Stina Face. It's a Velvet Dream Stick. What is this? So here's the box. I'm not very familiar with this brand, but it does say that it is a Velvet Dream Stick, $12 retail value, and it's a pigmented lipstick. So it not only gives unbeatable color payoff that will last, but it also gives your lips a comfortable and hydrated. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a huge fan of that shade. It's in the shade 01 Bliss. Let's see. And that was a lie. This is exactly why you need to swatch things. That's pretty. I don't have makeup on today, but I like that shade a lot. Now, granted, I did have some Summer Fridays on top of my lips, or on my lips, so I just put that over top. But I like that shade. See, always swatch, guys. And then last but not least, we've got the End of the Rainbow Ladybug Glow Ice Cream Beauty Box. So this is going to be the palette. This is really cute. It's a $30 retail value. It's the palette by Ladybug Glow times Ice Cream Beauty Box. We're honored to have Ladybug Glow Cosmetics in our box for the first time ever. This collaboration palette, and it's a great introduction of their amazing formula. So we're going to have in here 2 duochromes, 1 multi-chrome, 6 mattes, and the duochromes are stunning, shimmery, shifty, and everything you could ever ask for. Well, that's really pretty. Honestly, that's fun. It's eyeball friendly for me as far as the way they put it in this palette. You guys know colors tend to very much overwhelm me, but I really like how this layout is. It's like, okay, if you're scared of colors, hey, you got this. So automatically it like calmed me down, because I really feel like these shades together would be really pretty, and you could pop that right into the inner corner and get nice and funky with it. These shifty shades, okay, a matte is a matte is a matte, but the shift, well, let's play with those. Okay, here's Dreamy. Look at that, hitting the sun. Here's Mesmerizing. Ooh, that's like blue and pink and oh my gosh. Okay, and then Magical. Yeah, that reminds me like of a really pretty Easter egg. Oh, those are pretty. I feel like it's hard for a camera to really pick up all the different shifts, but there are a lot of different shifts there. I love those colors. That's fun. That is very fun, and I'm excited for these colors. And I feel like if you're like me and you get a little overwhelmed over colorful shades, then just pick one. Just pick out one shade. And here, honestly, I feel like the first one I would hit pan is this shade. So I would put this one maybe in the transition, and or like a majority of the lid, and then add a little bit of any of these center shades. Or you could do this shade on the transition or in the crease, this in the outer V, and then once again one of these in the little like inner corner to like middle center of your eye would be gorgeous. So just play around, ease yourself into it, but I think that overall I think this is really pretty. Like cover up the colors, the shades that make you nervous. See, it's really not as scary as it seems, right? And I mean, how pretty would it be to even do like this orange with this brown and maybe a little bit of that one? I like that. I like that a lot. All right, well, thank you, Ice Cream Beauty Box, for sending the March box over my way. I always love to unbox it. And again, code HOTMESS will save you 10% off your first box with Ice Cream Beauty Box. Okay, so let me show you guys right quick the Nomad Ireland Wild Atlantic Wave palette. They sent this over in PR, and I was super excited. Like I said, they gave us a coupon code. It's HOTMESS, and if you follow me on TikTok and on Instagram, my reel is or should be live by now for you guys to see the look that I created with this palette. Look how gorgeous these shades are. I am going to do a dedicated video as well for you guys so you can see it in action. I mean, do you see how beautiful? I mean, the mattes are just nice and soft, easy to work with. The shimmers are amazingly stunning. Everything was gorgeous. I didn't even feel like it like accentuated any of my fine lines or anything. Great size mirror. There's nothing bad about this palette whatsoever that I could complain about. I love it. I love the texture as well as of the outside of the palette. It's just really nice. And like I said, code HOTMESS will save you, I think it's 10% over at Nomad if you do decide to pick this up. Thank you guys bunches. I don't think that's an affiliate code, but just in case, letting you guys know. And then if you didn't know, our favorite of the house of Liquid IV is Concord Grape. So they sent over some more Concord Grape, but they came out with a whole new flavor of sugar-free. So I know some of you guys said like I can't have it, you know, with the sugars. So they came out with a sugar-free. Now I've had the peach. The peach is really good, but this is a whole new flavor. This is raspberry melon, and it's also vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, and it is soy-free. And I personally, I think Liquid IV is like a yummy, delicious treat. And if you make summer cocktails or what have you, make this, freeze it, make it shaved ice, and then if you need to do a little splash of something, Liquid IV has you, and you're gonna stay hydrated too. But I mean, I'm not saying that's the way to do it, but I'm just saying drinking it alone is delicious. If you want to make a cocktail with it, I say that's beneficial. Anyways, so code Hotmess Momma does save you. I think it starts out at 10%, but sometimes they have deals where you can get it for 30% off. Definitely make sure to check it out. Thank you, Liquid IV, for sending this my way. And of course, definitely make sure to check out Dossier over there for all of your perfumes, colognes, everything. And as always, the more you buy, the more you save. I absolutely love them. Have them on today. Always get compliments on my scents, and I love that. And I love that I can share that with my kids as well. I mean, even my son, my husband, everybody wears them in our house. So thank you once again to Dossier for partnering with me in today's video. I'll have a link down below. Definitely make sure to check them out. And if you're at your local Walmart, definitely make sure to check out their perfume aisle, because you may be able to find them over there too. Anyways, friends, everything will be linked and listed down below for you guys. Thank you guys so much if you made it to the end of today's video. I greatly appreciate it. Check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs for Curvy Girl Fashion Hauls, Hotmess in the House, and then of course our podcast over on Spotify, Unconditional Hot Mess. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Momma. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. And I'll try and remember to put this in my Amazon storefront. Okay, bye.